After you have created a community, you can create a channel for the most important topics you wish to discuss. You can do this by clicking the plus sign from the text channel or the voice channel. In this window, just write the channel name and press on Create Channel. Also, you have lots of settings for the channel, so you can set up it how you wish. After you have selected some options from the settings, please do not forget to click on Save Changes. If this was useful, please thumbs up, share and subscribe, as this will help me a lot. Thank you. Bye bye.